This is Cronkite News.
Good afternoon and welcome to this Cronkite News Noon Update. I'm Ariel Rose. Thanks for joining us. We have new reports this afternoon on the pilots of Germanwings Flight 9525, linking them to an airline training facility in Arizona. Germanwings Flight 9525 crashed in the southern French Alps on Tuesday, with all passengers and crew on board losing their lives. Now Germanwings is owned by the European airline Lufthansa, a client of the Airline Training Center Arizona located in Goodyear. Cronkite News took you to this center back in 2013, where according to the center's website, all of Lufthansa's pilots, including Germanwings Flight 9525 pilot Andreas Lubitz, were and have been trained for the past 40 years. We'll have more for you on this development tonight at 5. Turning now to the Arizona State Legislature, where the battle to bring state IDs to the federal Real ID standard continues. Today, the Arizona House is reviving an effort that would allow the Department of Transportation to issue licenses that comply with those standards. You'll remember that licenses currently issued by ADOT don't meet up to these federal rules, and that could start affecting Arizonans' access to airports and federal buildings in the future. An amendment to Senate Bill 1274, a bill that would allow licenses to comply, passed the Senate earlier in the week, but the proposal stalled in the House. Also in the Arizona House, a bill approving a compromise that would allow microbreweries to continue running restaurants has been passed. The legislation passed the House on a 59-0 vote last night. The compromise allows companies to keep their microbrewery licenses if they produce under 6.2 million gallons of beer a year. It also allows them to have up to 7 retail locations. It now goes to Governor Doug Ducey's office for approval. And now turning to education, the Arizona House has rejected a Senate bill allowing children who live on Indian reservations to qualify for public school vouchers. Senate Bill 1332 would have allowed children living on those reservations to qualify for vouchers for private schools. Backers of the bill advanced it on a voice vote Wednesday, but it failed 31-28 in the formal vote. New census data puts the Phoenix Metro among the top nationally for population increases. New census data puts the Phoenix Metro among the top nationally for population increases, and the Phoenix area's population gain was just under 85,000 people from July 2013 to July 2014. That puts Phoenix 6th among the top 10 metro areas in terms of numeric increases during that period. The top 5 include Houston, Dallas, New York, Atlanta, and LA. We'll take a closer look at the numbers tonight at 5. Students at One Valley Middle School are celebrating a big win. Their idea for a new app won $20,000. Students at Apprende Middle School won the Verizon App Challenge, and their sustainability app will be brought to life soon. The students are getting help from coding from a master trainer at MIT. The app encourages people to do good environmental deeds and allows them to earn points to share on social media.
The App Challenge is just an amazing way, a low cost of entry way to get students interested in coding, interested in technology and solutions, and really 21st century skills.
The students will present their final product at a conference in Dallas this summer. And now here's a look at what's coming up tonight at 5 on Cronkite News. It's a sound you never want to hear in the desert. Our Cronkite News reporters have everything you need to know as rattlesnake season makes its way into the valley. Could an emergency snakebite kit help you if you're bitten? Our coverage continues with a look at snakebite remedy kits and their effectiveness. We spoke to doctors and have their take on this. That's all for this Cronkite News update. For Arizona's top headlines, head to cronkitenewsonline.com. We'll see you tonight at 5 on Arizona PBS 8 HD.